What responsibilities and ethical challenges emerge when humans intervene to restore ecosystems? Can competing priorities, such as economic profit versus environmental justice, ever be brought into alignment? Who bears accountability to ensure that artificial intelligence, one of the most rapidly growing technologies with a startling rate of resource consumption, becomes environmentally sustainable? And perhaps most importantly, how might we bring conversations about environmental conservation and land use into a non-partisan arena, even when there may be deep ideological divisions? These are some of the ethical questions and concerns the Roger Mudd Center for Ethics will highlight and address during this year's multidisciplinary program, Taking Place: Land Use and Environmental Impact. Over the year, we will delve into different meanings of taking place. We will begin with exploring the environmental, human, and political consequences of mining lithium, an element integral to developing green technologies. Its mining in the country of Chile raises complex dilemmas and questions about what an ethical energy transition from fossil fuels to green technologies may look like. We'll continue our investigation of fossil fuels by examining the lands designated for petroleum refineries, often places with vulnerable populations. The year-long series will also address community-led land use interventions that are taking place and aspiring to promote biodiversity through rewilding practices and soil rejuvenation efforts. These are, of course, not without their own ethical issues, which we'll also navigate. Framing this year's inquiry is an exhibition of Edward Burtynsky's commanding large-form color photographs that capture the magnitude of the natural world marked and affected by human industry, such as steel production in China, artificial salt evaporation ponds in Senegal, massive irrigation systems in the Netherlands, as well as coal, uranium, and gold mines in South Africa. At once compelling and troubling, these landscapes capture the disturbing aftermath of industrial processes used to maintain a growing global population. Through this photographic exhibition, along with the accompanying lecture series and community engagement, the Mudd Center for Ethics looks forward to welcoming you and to engaging with you about the scope of interconnected issues related to land use and its environmental impact from both global and local perspectives.